Hello traders, and I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel and I hope you're doing well. Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about supply and demand zone. As you can see, the chart is for Bitcoin and we want to talk about these two zones. What are supply and demand? Okay, the first thing you should know is supply zone is the place that people sell what they have. What they have here is Bitcoin, but in different charts you can see, for example, we have in currencies like euro, like pound, we have commodities, we have oil and whatever. Okay, so we can say the supply zone is the place that traders, according to that situation and according to that time and moment and according to that period, tend to sell. Okay, all right. And you can see the other zone, which is called demand zone. The demand zone is a place where people tend to buy because that moment, that day, that thing, it means Bitcoin, for example, here is valuable for this price, and many people here can buy and tend to buy. That's why we call it, demand zone. All right. So demand zone and supply zone can act as support and resistance. So we can say if we just connect these two lines and these two lines and we just extend it, we should see that demand zone and supply zone. And you can see this is the time frame 1 hour. And we could predict for Bitcoin, if we have the breakout from this side and pull back, we can see these prices up to here. First, this price 42, then 43,000. Okay, and we have, if we have breakout, so we should see the history of market where we have another support for people. I guess it was, if I'm not mistaken, 35,000, 37 and 35. Then but you should see that you yourself, you could go and see where we had demand zone, but I can check it for you right now and see. Yeah, the other demand zone is 37, as I told you, 37,500. And the other one, this zone is 37,000. And the other zone, which is maybe 35,000 and 32 and maybe 30. All right, these are the zones for Bitcoin which you can wait for to see that this supply and demand zone work or not. Okay, we want to see another examples, and I want to bring the other example. You can see, for example, here 47. Again, we have the other supply zone whenever the price got here once, second time, and the third time, 1, 2, 3, and then there was a bearish trend after that. So this line can act as resistance, and it is a supply zone. All right. So how can you just see these zones? Okay, if you just focus, you can see that there was a first try after this bearish trend. There was a first try to break this zone for bullish trend, but it couldn't have a kind of breakout. Then it was the first zone and the second zone, first and second. You need to have two touches, first, second, and just extend these lines to have, more lines for trading in day, or maybe trading for maybe scalping and etc. Okay, or for example, if you knew there was this point, so we had the, somehow we say this zone, huh? Yeah, we had the first touch first. If I extend it, say this zone demand, no, sorry, this zone demand, this is supply, just we had correction, again supply, and finally the bearish trend we can see. So if you know this place, you could have some pending orders here, and you could put your pending order here, for example 47 or 47 400, 47 something, and you put your stop, for example, for 48, then for example like this, you put your stop here because this is the other zone, so you could go for sale and you could take a good profit here by knowing supply and demand zone. All right, this was one of the strategies you can use yourself, and it can be used in different markets. Just I brought you an example with the Bitcoin as a cryptocurrency market, and it was just an example, and there was just educational content for using, and there was nothing like financial advice. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video if you liked it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.